Yeah. I just wanna know what's going on. Somebody tell me something.
What's going on?
Just give me a sign. Huh? Yeah. Huh? Yeah.
Somebody tell me.
Yeah.
What's going on?
What happened to the hood? Why all the jits wildin'? Why I ain't ate in days? Why my stomach growling? I need a slab of ribs, put some food in my stomach. Why am I walking on this road if I could start running? Looking like a dead end, should I turn around? Why I won't pick up that Bible and put my gun down? Why Brian came home? Why Robert Collins gone? Why brush the dirt off your shoulders when you could use a comb? Why is my city poor? Why I ain't got no hole? Why not sell CDs instead of selling dough? What happened to my mama? What happened to my daddy? Why I can't use 87 when I fill up the caddy? Why my sister died? They made her sisters cry. Why her kids gotta grow up without a mama now? Who shot Pistol J? They took a good nigga. Somebody tell me why they made his mama cry, nigga. Why when I went to school and showed up to class, why I ain't sit in the front, I went straight to the back? Tell me what's going on, I'm looking for an answer. Why do I smoke nicotine if I could get cancer? Yeah. I say I just wanna know. I just wanna know. It's really good, huh? Speak to him. Just give me an answer. Just talk to him, man. Give me a reason. I can't complain, I'm still breathing. What's really going on? Tell me what's really good. Why I'm struggling, trying to make it out the hood. Why 93 gas higher than a motherfucker? How did I slip up like that? Why I ain't use a rubber? What happened, Lou Golf, at the parade? I know Martin Luther King turning in his grave. Why black on black crime? Why we can't come together? Why did I even mention that I didn't even know better? Poster went to church, but I woke up late. But I'm on time every time for a court date. Why all the real niggas there are sitting in the prison? Poor manatee right up the road and still ain't visit. I never said I was perfect, I got to do better. Why I ain't respond when my lily had sent the letter? Why my head hurt? Why my nose running? Why spend 95 if you got the whole 100? Yeah. Tell me, talk to me. Just let the beat breathe, huh? Tell me something. I just wanna know. Feel me? I need answers, man. You ain't gotta confess to me. But just tell me something. I need to know. City fucked up, man.
Somebody tell me what's going on.